lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Liane from Resin Creations. I hope you are all doing well. In today's video, I will be using Jesmonite and I will be playing a bit with different colors and we'll make some trinket dishes and coasters and tea light holders. So first things first, I'm mixing my Jesmonite and I will be adding some color to it. And I will try to go a bit abstract. So I will start with darker blue and then go towards lighter blue and just place the Jesmonite where I feel like. As I mentioned, it's going to be a little play and abstract process just to relax. So I did mix a little bit of Jesmonite, not too much, just for some dots in the beginning. And here I go. If you are enjoying this video so far, please click like. And if you like videos about resin and Jesmonite, then consider to subscribe. I do upload twice a week, every Wednesday and Saturday, so there is always something new to see for you. Thank you. So yes, that's what I'm doing here, just placing a random dots and blobs until my Jesmonite runs out, and after that I will mix again a little bit, add blue, a different shade of blue, and carry on playing and placing it in random places. So I will put some music in background for you and let you enjoy this process and come back to you in a bit. Ooh, that is so satisfying to watch back. And once again, I probably say every video that I work with Jesmonite that it is fantastic how fast you can demold the items that you poured. And here is me shaking the table so the air bubble pop up and leave it to cure. And now it's about 20 minutes later and we will see how they turned out. Another exciting demold. And here is the first candle holder and I like it. Very happy with this one. And this one is great too. And I move on to the coasters. And yeah, as we mentioned, it's abstract, so if you like it, you like it. If not, then... And I was a bit worried about the sweating because, as you know, if you leave Jesmonite long in the mold, it's going to start to sweat. And there is a little bit sweating around the first patches that I made, but I think it's alright and they don't look too bad. And the last trinket tray. Abstract again. So I will let them to finish to cure and sun bit backs. And here they are, all dry the next day. And I sanded the bottoms and I like quite a lot. Not too serious. I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know down below what you think. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!